What's the meaning of cheerily? Cheerily. Cheerily.
Cheerily. Cheerily. Cheerily means to do something in a cheerful or optimistic manner. It is an adverb that describes an action performed with a positive attitude or tone. When someone does something cheerily, they approach it with a sense of enthusiasm and positivity that can be infectious to others. This can lead to an overall feeling of happiness and warmth, as well as improved relationships between people. Overall, doing something cheerily can have a positive impact on both the person doing it and those around them.